Figma versus Sketch. Which is better? Primarly Use, Figma, design and prototyping, Sketch, interface design, UI UX design, collaboration, Figma, real-time collaboration, multiple users can work simultaneously, Sketch, collaboration through shared cloud documents, platform compatibility, Figma, web-based, works on any OS, Windows, macOS, Linux, Sketch, macOS desktop application. Vector editing, Figma, yes, robust vector editing capabilities. Sketch, core functionality revolves around vector editing. Prototyping, Figma, yes, interactive prototypes. Sketch, limited, can be extended with third-party plugins. UI components, Figma, components and design system support. Sketch, symbols and libraries for reusable components. Export options, Figma, various export options for assets, code, and specs. Sketch, supports various export formats and size. Plugins and integrations, Figma, extensive plugins and integrations. Sketch, plugin ecosystem for extended functionality. Responsive design, Figma, auto layout for responsive designs. Sketch, supports responsive design throughout constraints. Team collaboration, Figma, real-time collaboration, design systems and components. Sketch, collaboration features, shared libraries. Subscription model, Figma, freemium model with free and paid plans. Sketch, one-time purchase with a subscription model for updates. Learning curve, user-friendly collaborative features may require a learning curve. Sketch, user-friendly with a shorter learning curve. Offline access, Figma, requires an internet connection for real-time collaboration. Sketch, works offline but limited collaboration features online. Performance, Figma, web-based performance can depend on internet speeds. Sketch, native application, generally fast and responsive.